Hey Austin, how much can I expect to pay for foundation repair here in Bryan College Station?
Great question. You're probably feeling confused, frustrated, maybe even like you're stuck in a daggum hamster wheel and you really want some answers as to how much foundation repair costs. So the big question of the day, how much does foundation repair cost in the Brazos Valley area? I'm Austin with Anchor Foundation Repair, and I've been doing the slab on grade estimates for Anchor for the past few years here.
Hey Austin,
Howdy, Nika.
how's it going?
Pretty good.
Well, I think I'm gonna come help you out today. Is that all right?
Perfect.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take off my anchor hat, I'm gonna put on my homeowner hat, and I'm gonna ask you some questions like you always tend to get from homeowners.
Sounds good.
Awesome. So Austin, okay, we're here in the Brazos Valley area, Bryan, College Station, Madisonville, Navasota, basically the areas that we serve. How much do most people pay, or how much can we expect to pay for foundation repair in this area?
Yeah, great question. So it's really going to depend on your chosen method of foundation repair. But most folks we see tend to pay around $9,000 to $20,000 for roughly 15 to 20 supports.
So can you tell me what kind of factors contribute to these costs?
Yeah, really, and first foremost depends on the contractor that you're using.
Okay.
If there's some accessibility issues around your home, if there's some tight corners, whatever it may be, and then just the repair method in general as well, whether it requires more materials or lengthier repair times.
So I guess tell me more about these methods. Like I didn't even know there was other methods of foundation repair. What's up with that?
Yeah, so there are a ton of different methods worldwide out there, but here in our area, in the Brazos Valley, there are really two that are readily accessible, which are going to be pressed piles and drilled bell-bottom piers.
All right, and which one do y'all do?
Drilled bell-bottom piers all day long.
So tell me more about the methods. I mean, what's the difference between these things?
Yeah, great question, Nico. So it really is going to come down to what you're looking most out of, like longevity of your home. Is what are your plans with them? Do you plan on staying here a long time? Or does time and speed of repair matter to you? Do you want it done like tomorrow, or are you okay with waiting a little bit for it to get done?
Okay, so it sounds like there's a lot to consider when you're trying to pick which foundation repair method and foundation repair company you want to use.
Definitely.
How can I get more information?
Yeah, we're actually going to put a link down in the description. That's going to take you to an article that does an in-depth pricing breakdown on each of those two readily available options here in the Brazos Valley, which are the drilled bell-bottom piers and the pressed piles.
Nice. Check it out.